Let me show you how you guys can change language in YouTube Kids. Now, in order to change your YouTube Kids language, you need to change the language of your phone. Now, if you do that, all of the things like, let's say over here, it's showing me Discord. It's going to show me in a Hindi word Discord. But let's say if you just want to watch content of different language inside YouTube Kids, then this is what you need to do. Open your YouTube Kids app and click on the search at the bottom. Over here on search, just search for the channel which you watch. And over here, after writing the channel's name, write the language which you want to watch the video on. Search for it. And it's going to show you this. As you guys can see, now it shows me Vlad and Nikki in Hindi. I can click on his channel and watch all the videos in Hindi dubbed. Now, all channel does not have dub, so whenever you search for a channel and write another language right after that channel and nothing shows up, that basically means that those creators have not dubbed their video, so it's not available in any other language. But most channel on YouTube Kids are probably dubbed, so you can just search for the channel's name and write another language like Hindi, English, or anything, and they will appear. Hope I was able to help you guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.